one of those things that's your predisposition and then what you do with the training. Now, if you're predisposed to have really bad calves, you just got to hammer them. It's about frequency, time under tension, and making sure that you're getting at least 2 workouts a week, maybe even up to 3, depending on, you don't want to kill yourself if you're sore, but at least 2 times a week hitting those calves. And you got to just hit different angles, seated calf raise, calf raises on leg press, calf raises on the donkey calf, just all the different angles. And it's not just weight. You got to use weight, but you got to use volume too. So you got to use both. That's why I usually have my athletes running FST 7 workouts where they're doing 3, sets of FST 7. So that means 1 seated FST 7 for seated calf raises. So they're doing 15 to 20 reps. So high rep FST 7 sets, then going over doing donkey calf raises, 7 sets. And we're talking about 30 to 45 seconds of rest. So you're ripping. I mean, they're burning. They feel like someone put gasoline on your calves and lit them on fire. And then going over and doing calf raises on either a leg sled, i.e. leg press, or using something that's similar to that. It could be a different calf machine that's at the gym, depending on what gym you go to. But doing something along those lines where you're hitting 3 sets and doing 7s on all 3 of them with 30 seconds of rest. And then you can take 2 to 3 minutes in between exercises.